Hi, I'm A Bissen. Are you self-employed? Have you been in business for at least 2 years? And have you gone to apply for a home loan and been denied because you didn't show enough income on your tax returns? Does that sound familiar? If it does, don't worry, you're in the right place. The type of loan you're looking for is called a bank statement loan. Now, our office does a ton of these here in the state of Florida. This video is just one part of an entire educational workshop designed to quickly get you familiarized with bank statement loans. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and check those out. In this video, we're going to cover one specific topic, and that's how to use a bank statement loan to purchase a condominium. Let's get started. A bank statement loan is a loan designed for self-employed business owners who have been in business for at least 24 months. Now, if you're an independent contractor or a 1099 wage earner, you're actually looking for a similar program, but it's different. It's called a 1099 income program, and I'll include a link in the description below so you can check that out. You'll find it much more beneficial for your income type. So let's jump right into it. Here's how to buy a condominium with a bank statement loan. First, a condominium is different than any other kind of home you can buy. With a condominium, you own the interior of the home itself, from the drywall in, and then you and your neighbors collectively own the outside of the structure. With most condominiums, you don't own the dirt underneath the unit either. Now, financing a condominium with a bank statement loan is pretty straightforward. It works just like any other bank statement loan, and we cover that in other videos. But with a condominium, you have the added step of the condominium itself having to qualify for your loan in addition to you and your business as well. So how does this work? After you go under contract, the lender reaches out to the condominium association and asks them to complete a short questionnaire called the CONDO questionnaire about different aspects of the condominium and its business. And then those answers they provide are in turn used to determine if the condominium meets the eligibility requirements for the loan. Here are some of the key factors that underwriters look for when financing a condominium using a bank statement loan. The square footage of the condominium itself must be at least 600 square feet or greater. As long as you're buying the condominium as a primary residence or a second home, then we don't have an upper limit on the percentage of the number of units that are primary and second homes. Now, this is very different and much more flexible than a condo approval for, say, a conventional or FHA loan. If you're buying the condominium for investment purposes, then at least 50% of the total units in the project must be owned as a primary residence or a second home. No more than 15% of the total units in the project may be 60 days or more past due on their HOA dues. No single entity may own more than 20% of the total units in the project. And by the way, a single entity is defined as an individual, an investor group, partnership, corporation, or LLC. For projects with 1 to 4 total units, single entity ownership may not exceed 1 unit. And for projects with 5 to 20 units, single entity ownership may not exceed 2 units. No more than 35% of the total square footage of the project may be used for commercial purposes. Non-warrantable condominiums. First, a non-warrantable condominium is essentially a regular condominium that meets the typical definition of a condominium, but it's one that fails to meet one or more of the underwriting standards of a traditional, conventional home loan condo approval. A bank statement loan can be used to buy a non-warrantable condominium. If you're looking at non-warrantable condominiums, here are some of the things that set our program apart from others. We do not have an upper limit on the number of investor units in the condo project. Investor concentration can be as high as 100% of the project. We allow for a single entity to own up to 30% of the units in a single condominium project. Commercial space in the condominium project can be as high as 40%. Keep in mind that if you're looking to finance a non-warrantable condominium, there may be certain restrictions and your down payment requirement may be a little higher. So be sure to ask a qualified loan originator who's experienced with bank statement loans for those details. And finally, Condotels. Condotels are very popular here in Florida. The name comes from a combination of condo and hotel. Physically speaking, a condotel looks like an ordinary condominium, but usually it's really a kind of non-warrantable condominium that's primarily operating as an income-generating resort. There are typically some easy red flags to help you determine whether a condo is actually a condotel. They have a concierge desk that manages check-ins, rents, and scheduling. They offer short-term rentals like Airbnb, VRBO, Booking, etc. They boast of having luxury amenities, and many of them even have the word resort in their name. Just know that generally speaking, a bank statement loan cannot be used to finance a true Condotel with on-site reservation desks or timeshare agreements. Short-term vacation rental condos may be accepted though on a case-by-case basis. And that's it. We hope you found this information helpful. If you'd like more great information about bank statement loans, consider subscribing to the channel and check out our other bank statement related videos, and share this video with your business owner friends. It can make such a difference in their lives, especially if they're looking to purchase or finance a house in the near future. And if you've been in business this long, I'm sure you'd agree, it didn't happen because you took no for an answer. So stop letting these banks and credit unions tell you no when we have more reasons to say yes. So if you're looking to purchase, refinance, or get pre-approved to purchase a home anywhere in the state of Florida, give us a call today. We'd love to discuss your scenario and come up with some solutions. Thanks again for watching. I'm A Bissen, and this is Unconventional Lending.